Hey, welcome back to the channel. So you're trying to install an Intel driver and you're getting installation failed with error code 999. Super frustrating, I know. This one trips up a lot of people because the error message tells you almost nothing. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's fix it. Error code 999 in Intel's Driver Installer is a generic failure code that usually means the installer ran into a conflict, a permission issue, or found leftover files from a previous installation that it couldn't work around. It commonly comes up when trying to install Intel graphics drivers, chipset drivers, or the Intel Driver and Support Assistant. The first thing to try is running the installer as an administrator. Right-click the setup file and select Run as Administrator. This alone fixes the issue for a surprising number of people because some Intel installers need elevated permissions to modify system files and registry entries. If that doesn't work, the next step is cleaning out any previous Intel driver installation. Download the Intel Driver Uninstaller tool. It's called the Intel Graphics Driver Uninstaller, or just search Intel Driver Uninstaller on Intel support site. Boot your PC into safe mode first by holding Shift while clicking Restart, then going to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and Startup Settings. In safe mode, run the uninstaller to completely strip out old Intel driver files. Then reboot normally and try the installation again. Another common cause of error 999 is Windows Update holding a conflicting driver. Windows sometimes installs its own version of Intel drivers in the background, and when you try to install the official Intel package on top of it, the installer sees a conflict and throws error 999. To deal with this, open Device Manager, find the Intel device you're trying to update, right-click it, and uninstall it, again making sure to check the box to delete the driver software. After that, temporarily pause Windows Updates so it doesn't reinstall the generic driver, then run the Intel installer. Antivirus software can also block the installation. Try temporarily disabling your antivirus or Windows Defender real-time protection, run the installer, and then re-enable it afterward. If you're still getting error 999 after all of this, try downloading a different version of the driver. Sometimes a specific installer package has a bug for certain system configurations. Intel's Download Center lets you filter by Windows version and adapter model. Try the version one release older than the latest and see if that installs cleanly. Alright, that's how you deal with Intel driver installation error code 999. If this video was helpful, smash that like button. It genuinely helps the channel grow. Leave a comment if you're still stuck and I'll try to help you out. Subscribe for more PC troubleshooting content, and I'll catch you in the next one.